Today we're diving into the world of mining management with a complete guide on how to use Awesome Miner. Whether you're new to mining or looking for advanced management tools, this tutorial will empower you to maximize your mining potential. To kick things off, head over to the Awesome Miner website, the link is also in the description below, and download the software. The correct software for your Windows machine is the Awesome Miner installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompt to install it on your computer. Open Awesome Miner and click on Options to configure your Awesome Miner settings. The next step is to configure your mining pools. Go to Pools and add your preferred mining pools. After you have connected to your desired mining pool, it is time to add your mining devices. Click on New Miner and select the appropriate miner software and algorithm. If you have an ASIC miner, you will want to click on the Getting Started with ASIC Mining and proceed from there. If you are using the GPU on your Windows PC, you can go ahead and select Getting Started with GPU Mining. After you have looked over the documentation for your chosen miner type, hit Next and select the type of miner that you want to set up. If you are setting up an ASIC miner, go ahead and select External Miner. If you are setting up a GPU or CPU miner, you can select between Manage Miner or Manage Profit Miner. You can also scan the network for miners if you are running a mining farm and want to connect another GPU or ASIC miner to it. Input the device name, IP address, select an algorithm for your mining software, and choose the pool that you added earlier. This will link your miners to your selected pools, and hit Next. Assign your miner to a group and click Finish. Awesome Miner's dashboard is your control center. It displays real-time information about your miners, including hash rates, temperatures, and more. Keep an eye on this dashboard to ensure your mining operations are running smoothly. Never miss out on important updates by setting up notifications. Go to Options and then Notifications. You can configure alerts to be sent through email or SMS whenever a miner goes offline or encounters an issue. Awesome Miner offers a nifty feature called Profit Switching. This automatically switches your mining to the most profitable coins. Click on Profit Profiles and create a new profile to start optimizing your earnings. If you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can overclock your miners for better performance. Go to Manage Miners and then GPU Clocking Profiles and adjust the settings for your specific hardware. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Awesome Miner. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your mining operations like a pro. For more mining tips, crypto insights, and tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
I love you.